Hey everyone, we're going to get started on time. I'd like to welcome everyone to the third in the series of the VR Professor Series sponsored by Precision OS. My name is Dr. Scott Sigman. I'm an orthopedic surgeon, sports medicine specialist, and very proud to chair tonight's event. We have registrants from 6 continents, 12 countries, and as Shariff K would like to say, we're coming at you from one metaverse. So why don't you walk us through what you're doing, guys, so that everyone that has not been here before has an understanding of what we're doing?
I can grab and hold, I can turn, I can point, I can give you a thumbs up. And so this is what's great. So if I'm showing you how to do this and you're doing it, I can just, say, put it here. And then when you do it, give you the old thumbs up right here. And then everybody's happy. And we're learning like we're doing tonight on 6 continents. I mean, how cool is that? But while we're practicing, what's really interesting is I can just do this and actually remove the skin so that I can see everything, that they can really get a view of how close they can get, and even bury your head in there and you'll be in the joint, which is really interesting. All right, so as we're looking here, you can see I can drive in, I could grab my eyes just like I would do so there's my infra teres coming through, there's my tear.
And I love the why not. This is a great little anchor. You just sort of pound it on in. There's no all required. And then you pull it out and then you set the knot. There's no anchor involved, and it really has great pull-out strength. So something I've become very, very accustomed to.
I think you got it.
Did I get it? Yeah.
Yep.
Perfect. So I'm going to set down that. I'm going to go grab this. I'm going to come through that posterior portal.
Perfect. Nice. Okay.
I'm going to pull that out. I'm going to go back in here. I'm going to grab another lens. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go in there and I'm going to find that position that I really like to put that down. And I think there's some really good bone. We're going to put that in. And so now we've got to the power hole. I'm going to grab my mallet.
There we go.
That's a really nice looking repair. I'm going to give you guys an A- on this. I think there's always room for improvement,
Always.
but I'm definitely thinking you guys did an outstanding job here. That is exactly what we're looking for.